Hi guys, ukhamba lugcinela uphahlakile and you guess right uGcwabe ubela ezobrega, and when uGcwabe walked in umusa uba like, oh ungafika ngahle Gcwabe because ngibiza family meeting. Uhambokazi uthi hayibo Musa usukwazi ukubiza ama-family meeting emzini wami. Uthi nje umusa kusekhaya la ngizoyibiza i-family meeting mina. So uGcwabe-ke hayi uyababonisa-ke ukuthi ukhamba lwakhe nkosiyami ligcine lithe phahla kinsi. And I'm like, kodwa Gcwabe, bese ungahlala kanjani ukhamba lungaphihliki because uze waqukula elikhulu leli itshe nkulu kudwetshe uzama ukuphihliza lolu khamba. Anyways, this also scares Uzwelakhe a bit, realizing that maybe this could mean I'm really not part of the Mkhize family. Kodwa guys, ngisacela ukubuza shame indoda enjani efana noGcwabe. Hey, uyingena kanjani ngempela indaba zakomunye umuzi ngalendlela? Like ungene indaba enza komunye umuzi ubona ukuthi hayi ngaze ngangena. Ngiphakathi futhi nje akekho nomuntu ozongikhipha at this point. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, uGcwabe have his own family, his own house, and his own problems that he should be worried about. But no, he's worried about his brother's family because this is his brother's family. And to just keep on being in his brother's house, to always emphasize ukuthi Uzwelakhe is not his brother's son. I'm just like, uGcwabe, ngempela unazo inkinga zomuzi wakho, And I like the fact that Uzwelakhe at some point asked him ukuthi ay ngeke Gcwabe awusho nje lokwangempela. Usho ukuthi wena njengoGcwabe awunazi inkinga zakwakho o ungazulwe ngendlela olwa ngayo ulwele ifa lenye indoda. I'm like, kodwa ngempela like hayibo, like I am in no position ukuthi mina I can fight my sister's children. Ngilwe nje impela ngilwisa ingane kasisi wami. Yabona nje ngihlakanaphi because that was her family. I have my own family to focus on. Guys, it turns out ukuthi u-auntie uyazi isikrithi kaMampokasi. The only thing that I hate in this storyline is this thing of Mampokasi dragging. Like, it's so annoying. Mampokasi nathi sifuna ukwazi isikrithi. Ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe? We want to know what happened and how did Ukhetho Kuhle, your late husband, accept ukuthi wena unomntwana. We really want to know that. Uzwelakhe also tried to mend a relationship with his brother Umusa, but Umusa at this point he is still too angry because he feels he has always been sidelined by this family and he just feels like this family is not genuine towards him. So he's just like okwangoku ndi angry kesana and I don't want to talk about it. I'm like I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. If he feels like he's still too angry, Perhaps one day he will be able to process everything. Waze wakhohlakala uGcwabe. Waze wangcola uGcwabe. Ngiyazi mina into enje. Angiyazi into enje angifuna ukuqapha amanga. Hayibo waze wakhohlakala ubaba. Hi. Hayi-ke guys, akuyena yini phela uGcwabe uthi nje yena njengenhloko yekhaya ufila responsible ukuthi kumele kube uyena umuntu nje rightful okumele ahambe eyokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. Uthi nje uZwelakhe usebenzisa isibongo ekungesona futhi nje uZwelakhe kumele ephume esibongweni. So therefore uyaya-ke lapha kwaMampokasi and uZwelakhe uthi ayibo ngiyaphi nawe mina ngiyaphi nawe ngiyilapho mina. Uthi no mina sihambe semnambithi so that ngizokukhipha kahle esibongweni because usebenzisa isibongo ekungesona. Even nalentombazana uyilobolile nje uyifayile nje amabhadi ingane yabantu ukuyinika isibongo ekungesona esakho. Uthi uZwelakhe okay, you know what, it's fine Gcwabe hamba wena emnambithi inkinga ayikho but mina angiyi. Hayi-ke uGcwabe wabantu proceed uyaya uyoshisa impepho. Khuluma nabadala guys, uthi nje mina njengomina yimi I am the rightful heir. I am the leader of this family. So therefore mina ngiyabona ukuthi kudlaliwe ngane abantu abadala. You were all deceived ngokuthi nithatha ingane engeyona yenu. So mina-ke njengo-rightful heir walayikhaya ngizokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. Oh my guys, I mean that part was funny to me. Ubantu ngempela oshisa iphepha esho kanjalo emadlozini. Othi nje mina ngithi ngizokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. So therefore wathatha ukuhamba-ke guyzini. Lolu kuhamba ngathi beninomqombothi. But I'm like, okay, nini ugcwaba ugaye lo bani? But I'm like, okay, no, that's fine. And then wathatha inkosi yami ukuhamba wathi uzama ukulibulala. Wathi nje yabona nje lolu kuhamba mase selfile, this will be then a sign or a symbol ukuthi hayi ngempela uZwelakhe usephumile esibongweni sakaMkhize, sekazozibona ukuthi ufana nobani. Hey, lwathi ukuhamba uyangazi kahle mina. Lathi ukuhamba lalela sabangani mina nawe. Lathi ukuhamba soze ayi yey ngeke. Ayi ukuhamba badlala ungichazile andifuni ukungasho, like bengi happy, I was so impressed ngokuhamba. Lwathi nje ukuhamba eyibu asihlobene nanokuhlobana nje. Asibona ngisho nabangani, so nje please iyeke lento othi uyayizama ayizameki vele uyiyeke. So that was that on uNgcwabe and his attempts yokukhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. And I think this is a sign ukuthi bandla uZwelakhe, as much as he is not Mkhize by blood, but he was accepted as Mkhize, and even amadlozi akaMkhize accepted him. So nje into ezanywa uNgcwabe akayiyeke. And even ngisho umsawenkosi uZwelakhe's brother, hayi useyithwele uye indlela akayibona ngayo. Sibe nje ibize ngondlalifa, imondlalifa la. Imondlalifa la, and I know that he will be influenced and poisoned by uNgcwabe. That boy knows absolutely nothing about running a business. But anyway, mina, I must say that I was happy and satisfied. Ukubona uNgcwabe disappointed. Amadlozi I'm disappointed, shame. Asamadlozi no, asibona phela abangani thina. Thina siyam accept nje uZwelakhe, asinankinga noZwelakhe clearly. Icacile. Ukuthi umuntu onenkinga noZwelakhe wena, thina sinayo. Listen, uNgcwabe is a weapon formed against Zwelakhe. Because what do you mean? What do you mean that men enjoy making Zwelakhe's life thus difficult? Now he shows up at work. He has apparently called a family, no, not a family meeting, rather, a work meeting with the employees. I'm guessing he wants to announce the new management, which is himself. And uZwelakhe is like pissed, you know. He goes out and be like, "Hi, Ngcwabe, what exactly are you doing?" And uNgcwabe is like, "Listen, just go wait in the office. I will come back and address you as well." So he addresses the workers that, many things are about to change within the company. And he goes back to Zwelakhe and he's like, "Hey, because you are within the Mkhize premises. You are within the Mkhize company. What is your surname again? Sithini isibongo sakho?" And you know that he's trying to mock Zwelakhe. And uthi nje, "Oh, I forgot ukuthi konje vele isibongo sakho awusazi sana." Like uZwelakhe uyasho ukuthi kodwa Mkhize, I mean Ngcwabe, yini inkinga yakho owawusho? Because akwazi ukuthi ulwa kangaka, ulwela nje i-business lenye indoda. And I'm just like, vele, this makes zero sense. Like, 0 sense. This is why I'm like, listen, if there is a weapon formed against Zwelakhe, it has to be uNgcwabe. Like, Ngcwabe legit is a weapon formed against Zwelakhe. Meanwhile, shame, bandla, Mkhize, Mkhize usinikeza fresh air, shame. Oh, baby girl, why am I calling her Mkhize? I'm sorry, Mbokazi. Oh, baby girl still refuses to tell us who's ubani. Personally, I want to know, because now I'm here making assumptions. My assumption is probably, something bad happened to Mbokazi, like someone forced himself on her, and that's how she conceived Zwelakhe. And her late husband knew about this. And he was like, "Listen, it's fine.
it's okay. I will take over. I will take the boy and I will raise the boy as my own. Like, that's the only logical thing that I'm thinking. Because remember, when it was Mampogazi's lobola, it came out ukuthi angazi kwakuno auntie who was really making her to do nasty things with men. You get? It was something like that. So I'm thinking she conceived Uzwe like around that time, and Ketsogutle found out and was like, listen, you're gonna be my wife regardless, and I'm gonna raise this boy as my own. This is the only logical thing that I'm thinking. But also, I'm like, Yindaba Umampogazi, we must make our own assumptions, because at this point it looks like Umampogazi uthi nje lalelani, if niyayifuna kangako indaba zakwami, make your own assumptions, because I ain't ready to give you inzaba zakwami. And Kesana, I'm telling you, we are left to speculate. Hey, let's talk about Zwelakhe being romantic. Kesana, oh, sana. Hi, shame, Indota must be romantic. Indota must be a romantic man. Because what do you mean that he like officially proposes to Ubahumi? A big stone, Kesana, biggest stone of you know. In a parachute, the way boop, I guess, I'm like, high cake is such romanticness when a man gives you the biggest stone that you have ever seen in your whole life. While you guys are flying a parachute, oh, sana, ubu romantic obungaka. Uzwelakhe with romanticness, ne? Oh, this relationship overall, sana, it gives me chills, you know. It makes me believe in love. Oh, I believe in love. Yeah, guys, what do you all think?
Sana waze wakhohlakala uGcwabe. Listen, the cat is out of the bag because uGcwabe decided ukuthi nje yena he can no longer hold a secret anymore, and went in front of everybody, in front of phambi kwabantu ke sana, and announces ukuthi uZwelakhe is not Ketsobuhle's son. So the Mkizes were busy celebrating Zwelakhe's lobola. Everything went well, you know. Zwelakhe and Bahumi were updating each other. Things was going accordingly, you know. Until guess who arrives? uGcwabe. Sana, I'm defeated. I am so defeated because uGcwabe is beyond ukhohlakala. Angazi ukuthi I can ever found words to describe uGcwabe. If someone says described uGcwabe, baby boy walks in and called the whole thing shameful and be like, yeah, Zwelakhe, have you forgotten ukuthi wena awuyena ingane kaKetsobuhle? And then he therefore started calling uMampogazi names. Yeah, when uMampogazi uyiseqamgwaqo, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, Haibo. And also he says, uMampogazi umphoxile ubhuti wakhe, like umphoxile ubhuti wami wena, and you were just a disgraceful wife to my brother. I'm like, bro, uzazelaphi indaba zabantu ababili? Like, how do you know such information? Ukuthi, like, how did your brother truly feels about his wife? You know what I mean? And then Uzwelakhe also lost his cool because like any other human being, you wouldn't want your mom to be insulted, you know. Uzwelakhe is like, hey, yeah, baba, uzobala magamako when you are addressing my mom. You know, you will start counting your words. You will start knowing who exactly are you addressing. You will not address my mom in that manner. I will not have you addressing my mother in that manner. Before you know it, now the whole commotion, Umusa Wenkosi is like his younger brother, naye, you know, he's like, oh yeah, now I understand, everything makes sense now.
this is why you had us doing the DNA test. You knew very well that you might not be our father's child, so therefore you decided to conduct this DNA test, okay? Umhlaba also felt a bit betrayed, ukuthi haibo, what is happening now? And Umhlaba left the whole scene. Umhlaba was like, listen, I'm leaving the whole thing. I can't handle what is happening, because what do you mean? Like, what is happening right now, So Umhlaba left the whole scene. And I do believe that uGcwabe, his intentions obviously are not pure, and I do believe that his main intentions is to come back to the family company. Remember, he was fired by Uzwelakhe, and I do believe that he plans to manipulate uMusa Wenkosi into thinking that he is big and strong and he can run the company without Uzwelakhe. He plans to manipulate uMusa Wenkosi to say, you are the rightful heir, so therefore you should take over the family business, which will be a huge manipulation. Like, we know how Musa Wenkosi lives. He lives a super reckless lifestyle. He is absolutely in no position to run a whole company. He knows absolutely nothing about running a business or a company. So uGcwabe will manipulate Musa Wenkosi just so that he can get inside the family business and start doing some shenanigans. Guys, ngibonile la ukuthi kunokhamba uGcwabe kade ethi uzama ukuqhekeza. Unfortunately for uGcwabe, ukhamba aqhekezekanga. So I understand ukuthi what's the deal ngalula khamba. I understand ukuthi ukhamba lwani lolo, what's the deal, And I asked myself, lola khamba zama ukuqhekeza akusileli bakathi uloya ngalo at some point, because lo baba lo, yeah, he has done some shenanigans, But yeah, guys, shocker, yes, Anna, shocker, obstacles after obstacles. Listen, Gwababa just don't want to see Zwelakhe happy. This is a huge obstacle. Also, like, when we are just guessing, who do you think Zwelakhe's father is, I am running out of curiosity. I'm like, who might be the dad, though? Who might be Zwelakhe's dad? Umambukazi does not look like she is ready to let us know ukuthi ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe. Oh my God, sikulandile. Guys, ubahumi simulanzile. Finally, we all thought this lobola negotiations were never gonna happen, right? But Bahumi and Zwelakhe, it's official. The lobola, the first step to marriage, has officially been done and dusted. In love, Kesana. In love with both of them. Like, I am in love. Okay, Bahumi was such a beautiful bride. Anyway, of course, uGcwabe tried to sabotage the lobola. Of course, uGcwabe tried to sabotage the lobola, but unfortunately, he did not succeed, because when he tried to convince Umhlaba otherwise, Umhlaba could not believe ukuthi indeed Uzwelakhe is not a Mkhize. We even saw uMusa pulling through for Uzwelakhe. We know that uMusa was a bit hesitant. He was like, I'm not going to attend. I'm not going to show up. I don't want to show up, But he pulled through for Uzwelakhe, and it was beauty. When I tell you that it was beauty, it was beauty. Even Zwelakhe was so happy when they came back with the feedback. Lobola is done and dusted. Hey, what Giashe Uzwelakhe. Anyways, we also saw uGcwabe ke esifike emva kwendaba isona nkosami uGcwabe showed up at the Mtaunges and been like, oh, you all shouldn't accept lobola from Uzwelakhe, because Uzwelakhe and Mr. Mtaunge was like, drop the act, Ntate. Drop the act. Okay, I have been seeing through you that you're trying to sabotage this boy, so drop it, and drop it right now. Anyway, usufike emva kwendzaba.